The question reads X, Y, Z are three elements in 17. X2 has weaker covalent bonds than Y2. X2 has stronger instantaneous dipole-induced dipole forces between its molecule than Z2. Y2 is a stronger oxidizing agent than Z2. So what could be X, Y, and Z? So if you consider the situation and analyze it, first statement is basically saying us X2 has weaker covalent bonds than Y2. So obviously it's implying that the bond strength of X2 is lower compared to Y2. So we know that um, the bond strength down the group basically decreases. So the ones that are on the top will have a higher bond strength. So Y2 will be on the top here and X2 will be in the bottom. It's implying that Y2 has a more bond enthalpy, a higher bond enthalpy, a higher bond enthalpy compared to X2. So X2, the third statement is saying that Y2 is a stronger oxidizing agent than Z2. So we know that the oxidizing power for the halogen decreases. So if it decreases down the group, that means Y2 will be above Y2 will be above Z2, right? So since we know that Y2 is a stronger oxidizing agent, so stronger oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing strong oxidizing agent. So the second statement is saying X2 has a stronger instantaneous dipole-induced force. So we know that instantaneous dipole-dipole force depends on the number of electrons. So which one has a more proton number? Obviously, it's saying that X2 has stronger dipole-induced dipole force. That means X2 has more in number of electrons because it has a greater proton number. So X2 will be bottom. X2 will be at the bottom since it has more electrons. Since it has more electrons. So answer will be Y, Z, X. So Y is on top. So we know that chlorine is on the top. So Y has to be chlorine. Z has to be bromine. And X has to be iodine. So our answer is D for Delta. Thanks for your attention.